I believe this is a 60. 60 seems to be the benchmark in Vegas. Doesn't have quite as much space as some of the ones north of here, but this is the only bowling alley close to the Strip, and really downtown also, because you'd have to go to South Point to see the next one. And South Point's quite a ways down the south of Mandalay Bay. This one does real well. It's only, it's not even 11 o'clock in the morning. Oh, that's right, kids are out of school, so some of these kids might be here, might be locals. Oh no, they've got more than 60. They have 70. But they can't really say they're bigger than South Point, because South Point has two. They have one full center for competition and one center for hobby bowling. Let's see how much the best hamburger will cost you. Phew, starting at $6.75. We should get 10 of them and take them home. Chicken wings also. $9.50 for a pitcher of beer. You can get 5 beers out of that. That's not bad. The other prices are, not horrible, but $6 for a beer. You'd be broke pretty soon if you want to be bowling for a while. Let's see what's back here. Oh, okay. Yeah, people want to know if you can access the bowling alley without going through the casino. Typically, they want you to go through the casino, of course, so you can drop some money in there. But let's see if this is emergency exit or if it's open to the parking lot. Oh, this is, these are meeting rooms. Nope, stairs. I don't know where that goes. And that goes back to where we came from. So I would say no, you still have to come through the casino. I see people rolling bags that have their bowling ball in them, walking through the casino, so probably they would know to come to the outside if there was such a thing. This is a good place to stay because you can walk across the street to Rio and get a tram shuttle to Harrah's. So then you'd be right back on the Strip. Because you don't really want to walk from here to the Strip. I've done it, but it's I don't suggest it. It's kind of dangerous. The people that are getting on and off the interstate are not really expecting you to be on the sidewalk. $4.25 per game, Monday through Friday. I think that's pretty good. I think some of those others were 7 and 8. Got an old arcade. Alright, that's it for the bowling.